Alright guys, it's Brad at Techy Centennial here. This is a custom built PC we made to sell here in the shop. But if there's something specific you want, we can make it to your liking and your specifications. All of our custom built computers come with a 1-year warranty against defects. This one here is just a light gaming PC we built. We wanted to keep it on the lower end, more budget friendly. But this could run any game you want in just about 1080p, 120 frames per second. It's definitely great for any sort of Fortnite, Apex, whatever you're into. Grand Theft Auto. I know you guys are waiting on the new GTA 6. This will definitely be able to play it in at least 1080p.